My name is Jeff Lucas. I'm the Technical Service Manager at Scheu Kniss. Scheu Kniss is an aftermarket parts supplier for the rotary tablet press industry. We also support the rebuilding and remanufacturing of our customers' machinery. I've been with the company since 1987, going on 38 years. That is probably one of the most common questions that I get, and it really is application dependent. For example, if you're running Tylenol runs in batches of months. To develop a PM or a set schedule is very critical. I consider what we call major and minor cleaning. Periodically stop the machine just to clean residue, the excessive powder that's built up, verifying everything is good condition, everything is loose. Then you have a major cleaning where you actually remove the entire tooling, sets of tooling, and do a major deep cleaning, reinstall and continue to run. So it really is application dependent. Usually the machine will tell you when it needs to be cleaned, most likely sooner than later.